Hi everyone, welcome to the Android Kenya channel. Today I have with me here a Tecno Spark 7. As you may note, if you go through the catalog of the videos that we've done so far on the channel, we've never quite looked at a direct predecessor as far as the numbering goes. That is the Tecno Spark 6 here at Android Kenya, though that device did exist. We've jumped straight from the Spark 5 series to the Spark 7 series, and in that Spark 7 series is one of the devices you can find. This is the Tecno Spark 7P. So without further ado, let us unbox and see what you get inside. We are in. Here is what we are getting. There's this, and of course the device itself is the Tecno Spark 7P. We'll come back to that in a bit. Here is your charger, and of course here is to accompany the charger, the charging cable, micro USB. So no USB type C on the Spark series, at least not at this point this year. Maybe things will change towards the end of the year when we see its successor. And a very nice set of earbuds here for your use. Those are becoming rare. And of course a small box inside the big retail packaging box. So you have your SIM ejector pin, and then inside here should be some paperwork and some accessories. Okay, so warranty sticker, and here's your clear case. So let's get back to our device. As you can see here, on this device, this is a 6.8 inch display, and on it we are getting, as indicated here on this wrapper, we are getting 90 Hz, so high refresh rate. First on the Spark series. Hopefully now this gets to stay. Of course you're getting high performance thanks to the MediaTek Helio G70, and the camera at the back, which is heralded by this 16 megapixel AAA camera setup, gets you some super night mode. How good that is, those are the things we look at in the review, which you can read much later on the blog. And there's a smile snapshot that should be courtesy of the front facing camera over there. And of course this has a 5000 mAh battery. I think we don't have any form of fast charging here, as we've seen with the charging brick that we've just unboxed. So let's get rid of this wrapping to reveal the device itself. And yes, so here we are. This is the Tecno Spark 7P in all its glory. Yeah, so here is the device itself. You're getting the aforementioned triple AI camera setup. Your fingerprint sensor is here at the back, and of course your button arrangement is here on the side, all of them on one side, volume up, volume down, and of course centrally placed here with some texturing is the power button. And then yeah, here centrally located, Tecno calls this what, some sort of name. Dot in will be the one where you have a dot here. So they have this teardrop style notch here to accommodate the front facing camera, and above it we have the earpiece, and you might not be able to see these, but we do also have the flash mounted at the top. Down here of course your micro USB charging port and data transfer port, and then a microphone here, headphone jack, speakers, and yeah, that's about it. This one has at the back has this texturing that mirrors what you get with the power on off button. Yeah, which should make the grip a little bit better, since this actually a large device. We'll be exploring the Tecno Spark 7P on the blog, going through its various features, mostly the software centered ones, built to support the hardware, that is the camera, and others. over the next few days, so you can check there for more information on this device. Meanwhile, you can grab this device through various vendors across the country. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.